Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to change profile picture on Viber. The first thing to do is open up your Viber app and then click on the more icon at the bottom and then click on your profile, the user pencil icon at the top, click on it, and then you go to the profile picture, click on it. And now there are three ways you can do this. You can change your profile picture by clicking on gallery, picking a picture from your gallery, or don't forget to give it access, or you can decide like this, or you can decide to use a different method, which is the second method, which is the camera method. If you click on the camera, then it will show you that you can use the camera to take a picture of yourself and post it as your profile picture, or you can use the lens. This is the lens option. Now if you click on the lens option, it is a picture of you. This is Viber Lenses is powered by Snapchat. Amazing effects that transform your reality and the world around you. Click on next. So while using Viber Lenses, Snap's camera uses information about your face, your hands, and your voice to make some lenses fit your work. This information is used to identify you, so you click on try now. I'm not going to try it, that's why my camera is dark. So you can try it. It will download and then the camera will restart and it will give you a very nice picture. It's as simple as that. As you can see right now, it's on 52%. Let's see what's gonna show. It's using my voice and then the dark picture. But before you point the camera towards yourself. So once it is true, it will show us a picture. So that is it. Those are the ways you can change your profile picture. Okay, it's 100%, but nothing showing so far. And because of time, I'll have to end the video here. But when you try, let me know how it went. See you in the next video. Bye for now.